800-419-6356 for additional updates and storm safety tips.
It would be safe, but everybody is safe. No one's hurt, and that's the main thing.
Right.
You know, we can always replace stuff, beds, build a roof, but we're safe. We were able to get the hotel room in Greenville, and just trying right now to catch our breath.
Well, absolutely, and I tell you what, it's been a harrowing day for a lot of people. Some people had it, a little bit easier, where the power wasn't really affected. Most of the power did go out here in our region. You were able to find shelter, obviously, and everybody's alive.
And tomorrow morning, I can imagine there's going to be Americans pouring in here, the helpers, and we're gonna rebuild Eastern North Carolina like we did after Hurricane Floyd.
Well, absolutely, well said. We appreciate the call. That's a pretty good way to wrap things up this evening, and I can't think of a better way to stay positive here. I know it's tough, but thanks for the call from Greenville.
All right, thank you.
All right, there you go. It's a good way to wrap things up there. She had the right state of mind after, everything that's happened over the last 24 hours. And we have been here. We really were great to bring you the information. We're glad that we could bring you the information that you needed throughout the day with Wayne, Donna, Uncle Doug, from the coast all the way to Raleigh, North Carolina. And all we can tell you is just to hang in there. We'll be back tomorrow morning. Swing by here tomorrow. We'll get things started, and maybe the cleanup will begin. Our beach shows will be on at 1 o'clock. You need a little happiness. Luke Bay will be in at 1 o'clock. Steve Hardy's original beach party. We'll continue with Sunday on the beach, and then Steve Hardy's original beach party. So thanks for all the calls and words of encouragement.
Morris Mini Mart getting rich.
Like full fist. Everybody driving down there.
Everybody's here. Oh, wow. Wish they ain't got the first battery in here.
What you doing there, Kurt?
I don't know. I bet you they ain't got the first battery in here. I guarantee you. I can't even hear my radio because they ain't got no battery. It's the only place. Piggly Wiggly ain't even open. Man.
Ain't never open. I thought maybe the convenience stores would be open. They ain't even open.
And they cooking chicken too?
Yeah, they eating theirs. They gonna go back in there and get. Watch out. Somebody gonna lose their patience around here. Stuff's gonna go down. No, that ain't. I think I got my phone. I just did it too.
Look. He Facebook to the max.
Yes, sir. I got my phone. I could be doing the same thing.
The line is all the way around it, bro.
I ain't never seen it this crowded.
This boy getting rich.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I might be needing to do the same damn thing you do. Take a picture of
Getting rich. It's the only place open.
No motion.
Probably only place open in the city.
Kangaroo finna be open too, but they got a sign on it.
What's that?
Yeah, we just left now.
Uh-oh, might have to go there.
Yeah. I imagine the big stores definitely get a killing if they go open up.
Some people try to survive and they have their party there.
I know that.
Oh, man.
minutes. We're going to be here for a long time.